The cord is a 2-wire, 14-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front half of the handle assembly. Now I have access to the switch. I'll pull the switch away from the housing and remove the cord wires. I want to be careful to not lose the spring on the actuator. Now I can remove the white wire. And the black. Now I'll remove the cord clamp. With the clamp removed, now I can remove the cord from the housing. Now I'll remove the old cord guard. Now I can install the new cord. First, I need to strip back some of the outer insulation on the cord to match the old one. I'll line up the wires on the old cord and use it as a guide to cut the insulation back. I'll use a utility knife to carefully cut through the outer insulation without cutting the wires inside. I'll cut a little at a time and then check to see how far I've cut through. Once I've cut all the insulation, I can go ahead and pull this piece off the wires. Now reinstall the cord guard. Now I can reinstall the cord assembly. First I align the cord guard with the housing. Then I'll place the cord into the tabs all through the handle. You may need to install the cord a couple of times to get the length right. I want the end of the stripped back outer insulation to line up in the area of the compression spring for the lockout bar. With the cord back in place, I'll secure it with the cord clamp. Now strip back about 5/16 inch of insulation from each of the new wires. Now I can reinstall the cord wires. The white on top, and the black wire on the bottom. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing. I'll reinstall the actuator. The lever. And the cam. The tab on the back of the cam needs to fit below this plastic piece. Now I'll reinstall the handle housing. Snap it into place, and I'll secure it with the screws. And now I'll reinstall the switch button. And now you know how to replace the power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.